Welcome to the Computer Science Learn. So now I'm going to explain how to create a simple network in a Cisco packet tracer with the help of the Cisco packet tracer. So today I'm going to demonstrate to create a simple network by using one switch and two personal computers. So this is the very first video of the computer network, especially the Cisco packet tracer of me. So now I'm going to explain very basic and beginning, so basic things only here. So in the coming videos I will explain some advanced concepts later. So first, what is a Cisco packet tracer? So this is one of the simulator which helps to learn computer network first. Why? Because in practical it is impossible to buy all of the networking devices. Okay, as a network student you can buy some of network devices as well, but you cannot buy all those devices. But in a simulator it gives you opportunity to learn all kind of networking devices. At the same time you can simulate it and understood how the packets are transmitting from source to destination. That's very important at all in a Cisco packet tracer. So you have to use the Cisco packet tracer to learn computer network. Okay, so this is a Cisco packet tracer interface. So you can see that so a lot of just like another software interfaces, the file editor options, so just like that you will learn it one by one. So but here in a bottom you can see some of the icons. Okay, every icon which determines some of the devices here. First icon which denote that is a networking device. So once you click it, it will shows you the number of networking devices which are available in this Cisco packet tracer. So okay, the router, switches and the hubs, okay, wireless devices, so and so are available. And next once you click the end devices, it shows you the number of end devices. Why it is called as end devices? End devices is always in the end of the network. Networking devices are always in the middle of the network. It should be in between end devices. So once you click the router, it shows you the number of types of router. Here you click the switch, it shows you a number of types of switches. So here and some other components, network components are there, and communication medium connections. So we have a lot of communication mediums are there. First, a console cable and copper straight through cable, copper crossover cable, fiber optic cable, and so types of cable lines which available in a Cisco packet tracer. It is listed one by one. We will learn in a coming videos. Don't worry about it. So first I'm going to create a simple network by using switch. Okay, go to the network device, select a switch. I'm going to use the switch 296024TT switch. Once I chose the switch, okay, here I'm going to hover it. It shows me that the number of interfaces, how many interfaces available in this switch. Okay, here it could connect to 24 different end systems. Okay, the interfaces, which means that how many ports available in this switch. 24 fast Ethernet ports available and 2 gigabit Ethernet available and 1 VLAN available. In this you can create this much size of a network LAN in this switch. So once you click the switch, here you can see the number of tabbed menu. I will explain everything later because this is a very beginning video, so I don't like to confuse you. Okay, you just learn the basic things only in this video. So click the zoom in. Here it shows you, you can see that the port it which contain 24 ports. Okay, here the console port like that, one by one. Close it, and once you hover it, it shows you the number of ports, and all the links are down. Why it is not connected to any other devices? Okay, that's why it's not down. And here there is no IP addresses are assigned, and MAC address, or each and every single one of the port, it has its unique IP address, sorry, MAC address. What is MAC address? MAC address is a physical address of the device which should be unique to the worldwide. There is no two devices in the world cannot have a same MAC address at all. That is the beauty of the MAC address. Why? Because MAC address is a physical address. IP address is the logical address of the network. It could be changed. So IP address is changed periodically based on what kind of protocol your network is used. But MAC address is fixed. If you want to change the MAC address, it means you are changing your network interface card. So MAC address which embedded with your network interface card. Okay. So right now go to the end device section. In this end device section, I'm going to choose 2 PCs here. So right now this is a network setup. No, at all. In this network cannot transfer the data. Why? Because I'm not connected all these things. If you want to transfer the data from one into another one, it must be connected any one of the way. It should be connected wired or wireless. Okay, either wired or wireless. Then only it can transmit the data. So if there is no communication link available in between source to destination, it means you cannot transfer the data. Without connection you cannot transmit. So right now I'm going to choose the copper straight through cable. So why I chose it copper straight through cable? So that is a big topic, I will let you know later, but I'm going to explain simply here. Copper straight through cable, it for to connect to 2 different devices. Okay, the PC and the switch, both are different devices. If you want to connect PC to PC, both are same devices, you must use a copper crossover cable. Okay, so why it need a copper crossover, why it need a copper straight over cable, I will let you know later, don't worry. First click to the switch, and I can select any of this interface. Okay, right now I'm going to select the first interface, fast Ethernet 1, and go to the PC, and the PC it which contain only one interface. Okay, so go to the PC, and you can see it which contain only one interface. Okay, you can see it which contain only one interfaces. Okay, right. So once you connected, the PC is ready to communicate. Right now the switch is turning on. Switch is turning on. So this symbol which means the switch is ready to communicate. Now I'm going to connect the PC into the switch. So previously I have chosen fast Ethernet 0/1. Right now I'm going to choose the second interface, connect it. That's it. So you see that in the previous link is ready to communicate, it's ready to transmit the data. It means that once you see the triangle symbol, green triangle symbol, which means that it's ready to transmit. But unfortunately it cannot transmit data. Why? Because I'm not set up the IP address. Okay, IP address is very important, it's very essential to transfer the data. If you don't assign IP address of your device, it means that your device is not visible into the network. IP address is a card, it's one of the visibility if your device it's in a network. If your device don't have IP address, it means that your device is not connected with the network. Okay, so right now here so all it's ready, but right now we need to set up IP address. Okay, how to set up IP address? Go to the PC section, in a configuration section, go to it, and in here you can see the fast Ethernet. In this fast Ethernet, I'm going to set up IP address. Okay, 192.168.1.1. sorry, I made a mistake, sorry. 192.168.1.1. okay, so it's not allow me to enter the wrong IP address. Okay, wrong format of IP address. Okay, so this is a classy IP address, that's why you see that you see that subnet mask 255.255.255. so what is subnet mask? I will explain later, don't worry. So here so I have configured the PC, the first PC properly. So PC2 is properly. Right now I go with the PC3. So go to the configuration section, fast Ethernet, here 192.168.1.2. so there is no two devices in the same network and never have a same IP address at all. So the IP address should be different, two devices in the same network. Okay, if you are using different network, it is possible. Okay, I will explain in a coming videos, don't worry. So this is also the classy IP address. Okay, the same subnet mask is available. So once you have a same subnet mask, that means that you are in a same network. Okay, right now it's ready to transmit the data. Okay, so here I'm going to check to transmit the packets from source to destination. So here PC, click the PC and go to the desktop section. Here go to the command prompt, type the ping 192.168.1.1. so that's the first PC2 IP address. Okay, so it works. So I told you that the Cisco packet tracer is a simulator. You can simulate the network traffic, how it works. Okay, here go to the simulation mode. So this is the real-time mode. Right now this is simulation mode. Go to simulation mode and type those commands again. Okay, again, right now you see that. Okay, right now the packet ready to transmit from PC. Okay, so the next one, the PC3 transmit the packets to the switch. Okay, here this is called as a PDU, protocol data unit, which is transmitting from source to destination. So once you click it, it shows you what is the state of it. Okay, right now PC1 here, so this is source and destination. Here the source, sorry, this is source, is a destination. Okay, so this right now the PC3 transmit the packet to the switch. Next one, the switch transmitted to the PC2, which means to determine this is the receiver or not. So right now the receiver cross check those information and it transmit it again to the switch. So right now the switch transmitted to the PC3. Finally it perfectly works. Okay, so now you see that, now you click it, you could see the layer 3, it's a network layer. Layer 2 is a data link layer. Layer 1 is a physical layer. So you see that in a layer 3, so this is a source device layer 3. It reveal its IP address to the sender. Okay, so 192.168.1.1, it's a layer, so destination device IP address. Okay, right, so that's it. Okay, so the layer 3 which manage the IP addresses of source and destination, layer 2 which manage the MAC addresses of source and destination. So right now we don't use a router, we are only use a switch which manage here, switch which manage only MAC addresses. Okay, so the switch transmit the packets from source to destination with help of the MAC address. So within a network, the MAC address is enough to identify the receiver and the sender. So that's why here, so that's why it's transmit the packet to the receiver properly. Okay, so so I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in a comment section. Okay, so in a later I will post the videos one by one. Okay, thank you, support me.